This problem says that the sum of 3 consecutive integers is 1,623. Let's break it down. First, the sum means to add, and consecutive integers are numbers like 2, 3, 4. They are all in a row. Another example would be 17, 18, 19. So what we want to do is we would like to figure out what these integers are. And so in order to write that, we have to first start with the expression. So the first integer, we don't know what it's going to be. So we will first use x as our first integer. Then the next integer is going to be 1 bigger. So we can use x plus 1 as our next integer. And then the third number is going to be even bigger, 1 bigger than that. So you could either write x plus 1, or you could write x plus 2. Now it's the sum of all of these, so we have to add them together. And sometimes we will write parentheses just to identify which are the 3 numbers that we're looking for. Here's the first in the sequence, second, and third. And then it says the sum of all of these is 1,623. So we can write equals 1,623. You can write this on either side, doesn't matter.